All right, we want to get straight to weather because Holly's been keeping her eye on what's been happening in Florida with Hurricane Ian getting upgraded this morning.
Yeah, this is brand new information since you've gone to bed, and quite honestly, for some of you, maybe since you woke up, if you've been with us since 4:30 a.m. So Ian has been upgraded to a very dangerous Category 4 storm at this point. We're forecasting more rain here. So we'll start locally. We'll get you out the door. We are still talking flood watches in place till midday. Same counties included: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga. Outside of those counties, we are also seeing rain, some heavier downpours at times. Right now, we've got that happening in Ashtabula County. We're seeing a lot of rain, though, even in, say, Lorain County and through much of Sandusky. It was raining earlier. It's now to your east. But this is going to be something that impacts the drive today. You'll be using the windshield wipers again, and chances are you'll be cranking up that heat a little bit as temperatures are in the 40s to around 50 degrees in most spots. It is very damp, and it's got that cool vibe. We are well below normal as far as lows and highs for this time of the year. Sustained winds are 10 to 20, and they're going to end up being up to about 25 again today, which doesn't help in the cool factor. We should be 71 degrees for the high on this September the 28th, and we're only going to hit 58 is the reality. So the other reality is that we'll deal with rain on and off once again through this morning into the afternoon. It does start to fade as we head into this evening, which is great news as far as the Guardians game goes. It's a 6:10 first pitch. Temperatures will be in the 50s. I'm keeping a shower chance in the forecast, but things are looking pretty promising as far as at least drier weather for later today. So here locally, again, just to kind of sum it up, we're dealing with the rain showers. Let's go ahead and expand the view. This is the big national story. So as we take a look at just radar and satellite imagery, a very well-defined eye sitting off the west coast of Florida at this point. Ian has been upgraded within the last 30 minutes to a Category 4 hurricane. So this is from Category 3. Big change. So winds are now at 140 miles an hour. And this was projected to become a Category 4 before making landfall. But this is a major, devastating hurricane. 12 to 18 inches of rain possible through parts of central Florida. Within the right quadrant of this storm, we're talking tornadoes, in addition to the damaging winds of the hurricane itself. Wind gusts are as high as 165, which takes it into Category 5 status, and it's moving to the north-northeast at 10. So on this actual track, what'll happen is landfall, and at this point, also a change, landfall from the Hurricane Center, expected now as a Category 4 storm. Devastating storm surge. We can go on, but I think you get the idea. With any luck, this thing will weaken at least a little bit. But right now, it is expected to make landfall later today as a Category 4. And then once it's over land, obviously, it starts to weaken because it loses its source of energy, which is the warm water. Now, back here at home, speaking of water, we're going to just track quickly here on our National Design Mart forecast. You'll see these on and off showers through today. And we finally do break the pattern. We've been talking about this on your Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook. Around 60 tomorrow, lots of sun Friday. Notice the weekend, Maureen. So we're seeing a lot of cloud cover Saturday, windy, potential showers Sunday. This could be some of Ian. So we'll be watching and potentially updating. So there's still a lot to be determined on that for us. The biggest thing this morning, though, is that this is now a devastatingly dangerous Category 4 storm.
Right. I know, and a lot of people, as you mentioned earlier, have homes down there, have family down there. So we're going to stay on top of it.